Want to make your Canva designs look more professional and cinematic? In this video, I'll show you how to design a realistic reflection shadow in Canva using free elements only. This effect is perfect for sports posters, YouTube thumbnails, travel edits, and product designs. So let's get started. First, you go to uploads and you upload the main image that you want to use. So here I thought of a shoe, and I'm going to change the background to match the color of the shoe. There's yellow, black, so I chose that orange yellow. So I need to remove the background of the shoe, and I go to background remover here and I select the photo. Because this is the free version, so you cannot remove the background from Canva. You have to use another application. So once that's done, I'll just remove this here. Okay, once that's done, you're going to delete this and put the image with the background removed like so, and I'll adjust the size. So I need to make this background a bit shiny. So I'll go to the color palette again and I'll click on the color gradient and I'll choose a different style. Like this one, you can see the change. It's a bit brighter. Then I'll increase the size of the shoe. Then I'll duplicate this shoe. I'll go to flip and I'll choose flip vertical. So this will be the reflection now. So all the reflections are never visible, fully visible. So I'll reduce the transparency to about 15 or 18, anyway between 15 to 50, it's okay. So there you go. So now to add a more professional or to have that glass flow effect, I choose the fade gradient. So this is the rectangle one I chose. I make adjustments and then I reduce the transparency again. This one I'll reduce up to 1 or even 2, it's fine. And now there you go. Your poster is ready and it looks amazing. And that's how you create a realistic reflection shadow in Canva using free elements only.